Alrighty, good morning and welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we have a Kenworth here instead of the Freightliner or the Peterbilt that we're working on. Right now we're taking off to Nebraska on David's T660 Kenworth, and we're going to pick up his day cab that he has. His brother-in-law is bringing it to Nebraska from South Carolina, so we're meeting him there. This is the setup we have right now, what we're using to go pick it up. This hook here, it will attach to the front axle here on the day cab. But this is his Kenworth. You guys haven't seen it on any of the videos, but this is his pretty sick looking truck. Right. That's much better than mine, to tell you that much. It rides really nice. So. Well, that's why we're going to pick up your Freightliner right now, huh? Anyways, so yeah. Just to flip it. Give Beans the truck, I'm sure he'll flip it for you. So this is the interior on here, nice and clean, 13 speed. So yeah, this is the truck that we are heading to right now. Should be there in like 26 hours or so, if everything goes well. And that's pretty much the mission for this trip, and head home. He needs to get the cab changed, so that's what we're going to be working on. Alec's going to stay home and keep home. Yeah, he's going to make sure no one oh yeah, look at that. Sounds good. Alrighty, so guys, stay tuned. We're gonna hit the road and show you guys a little different type of video of us being on the road instead of working. So it should be a pretty cool little video. Might not be little, might be pretty long, but stay tuned and we'll see you guys back on the road. Well, we are hitting the road. What's happening, bud? Alrighty guys, so we are pulling up to Pendleton to put some fuel in here. This is on mileposting 217 or so. We've drove for 222 miles. We still have a little under 1,400 to go. So as you guys can see, Oregon's very beautiful, has a nice scenery. Look who it is. How was your trip? Good. Good? How's the roof holding up? Good. You see that thing in the back? Yeah. It's a nice setup. Alrighty, so quick little update for you guys. We are in what is this, Riverdale? Yeah. Riverdale, Utah. You have like around 800 miles left. So we stopped by to get a few more chains that somebody was using. We forgot to return them or whatever the deal was. So now we have 2 more chains, and we don't have too much to go. It's only 800 miles, so we should be there around 12 o'clock or so tomorrow in the afternoon, which is actually today. And David is out here gonna clean these windows once more. But yeah, she is looking mighty fine. This thing is chugging along with no issues at all, knock on wood. So yeah, here it is. It's a pretty cool little setup for a tow rig. Nice little caddy. So far we've gone through Oregon, where we started, Oregon, Idaho, and now we're in Utah, almost in Wyoming actually. So 3-4 states. So if you guys are truckers, you'll know. If you're not, it's pretty much where we're at. So yeah, we're gonna keep on trucking. I decided to do a little quick update because there's a light here. This camera's not the best in the dark, so when we're driving it's kind of grainy. So at least give you guys an update right now where we're at. When the sun comes out, I'll give you guys another update where we are. By then we should get pretty close to where we're headed. So either way, you guys stay tuned. I'll update you guys here in the morning, and that's pretty much it. That's our journey so far. It's going pretty good, no issues, and just chugging along. So stay tuned, and keep you guys posted soon. Bless you.
Thank you, thank you.
This right here we're passing through is Wyoming. Not sure why people enjoy living here.
They're cowboys. If you were a cowboy, you'd love this too.
Cowboy and the cowgirls, I guess. Like, it's so like dead. Like, there's nothing, as you guys can see. Check it out there. That's all it is. The whole Wyoming's like this.
They got a couple of Walmarts.
That's their balls. But yeah, completely boring state. Well, maybe some people like it, but alrighty guys, so we are pulling up to Lincoln, Nebraska. We're actually in Lincoln already. We're pulling up to the yard, or to the, where is it even at?
Some
shop. So we're pulling up right now. Probably got, what does it show, 4 minutes left. So we're finally here. We took us how long? We left, what time did we leave? Like, going on blank right now. 12, it's 2:40. So they're 2 hours ahead. I think they're 2 hours, maybe 1, 2. So like 25, 26 hours it took us to get here. So we're gonna hook it up to the back of our truck, and then our journey starts back home. So I'll probably be home around Saturday afternoon. Try to get this video up Monday. So pretty much a little quick update for you guys. So once we roll up, I'll start recording again. Show you guys the day cab that David's picking up. So excited?
Yeah.
But you already seen it before, huh?
Yeah.
So you already seen how it looks and whatnot, but decided to start another project. This will be probably after the Peterbilt, I'm assuming. So once we're done with the Peterbilt, because we really want to get that one back on the road, or not back on the road, but just to get it up and running, and then we'll figure out what to do with it. Either he wants to do like a dump truck out of it, which I think would look pretty sick. So we're he's gonna decide, I guess, what he wants to do with it. But either way, we're rolling up here to the yard, so let's see what we got here.
What's up, Jason? What are you wearing?
Huh?
What are you wearing?
Suit?
You have painted already?
Oh yeah.
Already
Ready to
hooked
get
up.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so we just pulled up here, and right here we got it's your nephew, right? This is Jason right here in this white suit, putting on the chains, while me and David are just gonna watch how it's done. Right?
Oh yeah.
There you go. What is your dad picking up?
My dad?
Yeah.
He got a Western Star.
A Western Star? That's pretty cool. I'll go check it out. So this right here is David's day cab that we were telling you guys about it. Needs a whole new cab. Got some big old wheels in the front. What's the size on these? 315? Yeah, those are some pretty big ones. And this right here is David's brother-in-law, Victor, right? There you go. Vitali?
Yeah, that's right,
Vitali. And he's picking up this Western Star right here. Pretty cool truck. Show you guys a little walk around of this thing. 13 speed. Let me brighten it up for you guys here so you guys can see. There you go. So yeah, this is his truck right here. This is one of our biggest supporters right here.
Oh yeah.
You watch all the videos, huh?
Every single one.
There you go. When did you guys leave? Yesterday?
Thursday?
Thursday?
I think, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you guys weren't team driving.
You don't have a CDL yet, Jason?
I drove in the parking lot.
Yeah. See what Dave is doing up here. Zip tying everything. Alrighty, so we are almost done here with the help of Jason here and David and his dad, or Jason's dad. I'm trying to put some zip ties, not doing much here, but as you guys can see, everything is nicely zip tied. Go to the front up here. They're on magnets here, but still put a zip tie, kind of falling apart. It's all good though. Another one here. So yeah, it is good to go. So what you think, David? It'll be good?
Should make some money. Czekaj, on mnie diski czy zabrać.
There's some nice wheels though. Alrighty, so we are locked and loaded and we are heading down to get some food. and then from there, going to head home. But for right now, this is where we're at. Everything's loaded in the back, like I showed you guys earlier. Can't really tell there, but let's see if I can show you guys through here. It's there in the back, and then David's brother-in-law is right there in front of us. Okay, nice meeting you guys.
Okay.
Nice meeting you.
Все, давайте.
Well,
Ютуберы, да?
yeah, this is it. We are finally full. Had some lunch or dinner, whatever you want to call this. The trucks are loaded. We double checked all the chains and everything. It's solid. So now we're just gonna head on home, and that's pretty much it. You guys saw the Freightliner, the M2 that David's picking up. Like I said, we're not sure what we're gonna work on, either the Peterbilt or the Freightliner, but we'll get it figured out when we make it back home. So as for now, this might be the end of the video, or I might show you guys some more tomorrow morning, just driving through maybe a different highway. If you take Highway 30 through Idaho, they have some really cool hot springs over there. Just depends what time you get there. But for now, I'm gonna go pass out, and I'll see you guys when I wake up. Alrighty guys, we have finally made it back home. As you guys can see, our yard here. It was a 54-hour turnaround from since we left. Went to Nebraska, picked up the truck, came back. We're just gonna leave it here for today, just hanging out, and then tomorrow we'll move it somewhere where it'll be better parking. So yeah, this is pretty much it. David's lowering it down a little bit to the ground. There she is.
Take the stress off the truck.
Yeah. Well, we made it, dude.
Yeah.
It was actually not that bad at all. Good weather. It was windy all the way home though from Nebraska. All that was really windy, but whatever. The truck did real good. Little champ right there. But yeah, we are going to start. We're not sure what to do. David's thinking maybe to fix this up, flip it, and he'll have all this extra money to dump into the Peterbilt, or maybe just work on the Peterbilt, do this one later. Who knows? I don't know. It's up to him. It's his trucks. But for now, once he decides, I'll keep you guys updated. But this is the new project, this Freightliner M2. Nice little truck.
Might just drive it.
Huh?
Might just daily it.
Right? Look at these big wheels. They were hauling something.
Put a nice dump that on here and just daily
Yeah.
it. All marked.
Show you guys some of the interior here, how it's all, which is fine. He's gonna change all of this anyways. All of this is gonna be gone. Should be pretty easy to get this cab off since it's so small. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little trip, something different for the trucking stuff. If you guys like these trucking videos and you like Peterbilts, Freightliners and whatnot, hit that subscribe button. And we will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.